guys, I'm here after only 25 minutes of assembly of this chair. This is absolutely awesome. It worked straightforward. It was absolutely no problem. I've already assembled a lot of chairs and that was the best assembly, easiest assembly of all of them. 25 minutes, only me, no additional help or so. Of course, I've been using an electric screwdriver, is what I recommend, but other than that, absolutely no help, super easy, straightforward, and watch how nice this looks and how nice this works. It's absolutely amazing. So we have a lot of possibilities here. Of course, like normal, we can lift this up and let it go down. But of course, we have also tilting function. When we pull this out, you can see that here. I hope you can see that really nice, super convenient, very flexible. You can't lock it in this position, but you can lock it like that so it doesn't go fully back. It's super comfortable here with this lower back support and also with the headrest. Headrest is adjustable in height and also regarding the angle. We can also adjust the armrests up and down exactly how you need that. And the armrests have a really ergonomic shape that helps also to make it comfortable. But of course, when we are talking about comfort, this thing is built pretty much for lifetime and also for heavier people. But it's not only for larger, heavier people, could also work perfectly for normal average dude like me. I really love it to sit in a very stable and super comfortable chair like this one here. The cushion is absolutely amazing. I just sink into this soft cushion here. And it's not only super comfortable, it's an absolute beauty with this silver or chrome applications here on the side. Yeah, really nice design. And what's awesome, and the biggest thing here, I think, compared to my previous chairs, when I move left, right, front, back, there is absolutely nothing to hear, no sound, no squeaking sound, no nothing. We have that with a lot of chairs and this can be super annoying, especially if you work in a large office, but of course also at home. For example, if you do video recording or you have a lot of online conferences, this can be very disturbing. So zero sound here. And the wheels are also super nicely moving to all the sides. You can see I can move here nicely, easily, front, back, sideways. That's also a big problem with a lot of chairs. No problem here. And you do not only feel the quality here while sitting, you feel the quality also while you're assembling it. Every screw, every thread, everything is 100% matching. There's no guessing, no nothing. Instructions are also nice and you get even extra screws if you mess it up, but you get also the measurement. And so even if you mix it up, you will find the right screw again. There was just one little thing regarding the assembly, but it's really a small thing. I had to untighten these 4 screws, which are in the center of the seat to allow this large part to slide in. But I didn't have to remove, just untighten, push that in, secure it and secure the 4 screws again. But that's really it. Everything else absolutely straightforward with zero problems. Yeah, I would say from unboxing till using the best experience of an office chair till now so far. There's absolutely no doubt about that. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.